Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming monitors with the HP Omen 34c.
This ultra-wide beauty promises smooth performance and refined style.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Alright, let's kick things off with the specs.
The HP Omen 34c boasts a 34-inch curved ultra-wide screen with a 165Hz refresh rate. That means buttery smooth gameplay, folks. And with adaptive sync and HDR support, you're in for a visually stunning experience. But it's not just about looks.
Under the hood, this monitor packs a punch.
With a V8 panel, 3440 by 1440 resolution, and a 1500R curve, you're getting top-notch image quality and immersion.
And let's not forget about that wide gamut of color support, perfect for vibrant, lifelike visuals. Now, let's talk about usability.
The Omen 34c comes equipped with an intuitive OSD menu, giving you easy access to essential settings like adaptive sync, overdrive adjustments, and color modes.
Plus, it's got handy gaming features like aiming points and frame rate counters to give you that competitive edge. But how does it perform in the heat of battle? Well, I'm happy to report that the Omen 34c delivers where it counts. With its 165Hz refresh rate and responsive overdrive, ghosting and motion blur are practically non-existent. Whether you're fragging enemies or exploring vast open worlds, this monitor keeps up without breaking a sweat. And let's not overlook the design. HP has nailed it with the Omen 34c. From its sleek, minimalist aesthetics to its sturdy build quality, this monitor screams premium. And with thoughtful touches like a height-adjustable stand and easy cable management, it's as practical as it is stylish. So, what's the verdict? Well, the HP Omen 34c certainly has a lot going for it. With its sharp image quality, buttery smooth performance, and elegant design, it's a solid choice for gamers looking to elevate their setup. However, it's not without its quirks, like some gamma anomalies and slightly less gamut volume compared to the competition. But overall, it's a winner in my book. And there you have it, folks.
That wraps up our review of the HP Omen 34c gaming monitor.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, happy gaming!